Hi guys, today I am going to show you how hackers find any password of PDF file. Okay, let's start. This video is intended only for educational purposes. I do not encourage anyone to be involved in illegal activities through this video. I am only teaching you open source knowledge from the perspective of an ethical hacker. So keep this in your mind while watching this video. Here is my password protected PDF file. First I need to download it. Let's try to open it. It's required password to open it. First you need to open web browser and type John the Ripper. Hit enter. Click on the first link. Download it according to your operating system bit version. Open another tab. Type Perl. Hit enter. So Perl is a programming language. Click on the first link. Click download and get started. So you want this for Windows. And we are going to download Strawberry Perl. Okay, click on the link under System Installer Version. Okay, now extract the zip file. Next, install Perl. Right-click on it and click Install. Click Next. And put tick on it. And again click Next. Click Install. It's take few seconds. Click Finish. And it's open README file, close it. Now click on John Ripper folder. And open Run folder. Copy your password protected PDF file. And paste it here. Now search Edit Environment Variable. Click on it. Now find the Perl bin folder. Copy the address. Click New. Paste the address. And type variable name. Click OK. Click OK. Now come back to Run folder. Type CMD and hit enter. It will open command prompt. Now type Perl. pdf2john.pl and type PDF file name with extension. Create new text file. Copy the hash and save it in the text file. Type John. And then type text file name with extension. Hit enter. We are done. Here is the password. Let's try. It's work. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.